Firstly, my sincere thanks to each one of you for trusting the brand Honda and buying Honda Elevate. I am sure each one of you would have been enjoying the drive so far. Honda Elevate is one of the most liked, trusted, and one of the most comfortable SUV to drive in the Indian market as on date. I am sure you must have read all the accolades and the rewards recognition what Honda Elevate has won recently from different platforms.
एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं and we welcome all of you to Elevate Exclusive Drive.
देखिए, होंडा एलिवेट एक अपने आप में सबसे खूबसूरत और बेहतरीन एसयूवी है. इसका जो डिज़ाइन है वो एक परफेक्ट एसयूवी की तरह है जो कि एक इंडियन कस्टमर एस्पायर करता है ओन करने के लिए. Also, the purpose was to build their further conviction that they can attain one of the best mileages in this car in the Delhi NCR, roads as we know they are bustling with traffic, and also to engage them with our prospective customers who would of course witness this kind of a rally at a mega scale and build more confidence, which will of course make them more encouraged to buy the car. The idea of this rally was to basically call upon our most proud owners of Honda Elevate for a mileage challenge wherein they brought their Elevates at the venue and driven around 40 kilometers route to clock the mileages, and we were very happy to see that all the customers clocked very amazing mileages, highest being around 19.5 kilometers per liter, which is phenomenal. All the customers really enjoyed the event.
You can compare this vehicle with any other vehicle in this range. This looks very solid and people get impressed. I am really impressed. Thank you Honda for bringing such a good vehicle.
When I got this car on 28th of September, so I was like the first initial buyer. So I felt like a celebrity. लोगों ने मुझे गाड़ी रोके बगाया था, पूछा ये गाड़ी कब लॉन्च हुई है. तो it's an amazing experience.
Hi, I am Dr. Sangal, and today I'm going to introduce you to my Honda. And I got my Honda. Everything about Honda was just too surreal and just too perfect. I think one cannot get a better experience than Honda.
Well, I just purchased Honda Elevate ZX CVT. I've been a very loyal customer of Honda. I've already owned a couple of Honda Cities, and this is my third car from Honda, which is a Japanese make Honda Elevate. It has got the highest ground clearance, largest boot space, largest wheelbase. I am completely satisfied with the product, and I wish Honda very much good luck in the future. One request, if Honda can launch black color in its cars, I would be crazy fan of that.
Hi everyone, I am Nikhil Sareen from Honda Cars India Limited. Today we have done first of its kind a mega Elevate rally in Delhi NCR at the Murao. And I would just like to thank once again all the customers who came on this bright and sunny Sunday to enjoy this mega rally. And I wish everyone happy driving. Thank you.
Everyone, we had this event, amazing event of Elevate exclusive drive, and I must share that we had almost 100 people here, 100 unique customers with their families, and we had a gathering of almost 400 people, and everybody thoroughly enjoyed. We had amazing drive, full of traffic conditions and real actually driving conditions, and I must say, customers had challenging situations also in driving, and everybody really took up the challenge, and we were able to award rewards for top 5 mileage customers, and highest being 19 plus kmpl in very tough driving conditions full of traffic, because we had some extreme unavoidable circumstances outside the venue. And but more than that, everybody came together very well, showed their sporting spirits, and customers were really excited, and we really enjoyed a lot. So I'll just say that Honda Elevate, you are the change. Thank you.